Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look that I'm wearing right now. It's kind of a rose gold smoky eye. Great for weddings, prom, anything that's really fancy that you want to kind of show off your eyes. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into it. I'm going to be starting off with my eyebrows today. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Brow Pomade. And then I'm going to be applying some clear brow gel by e.l.f. right over that to set the brows in place. Then I'll be taking some concealer and really defining my brows with that. Next I'll be taking that same concealer on my eyelids and then setting that in place with some translucent powder. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette today, and I'm going to be starting off with the color Silk Cream for the Transitions shade. Next I'll take the color Buns and deepen that crease color. I'm going to bring that on the lid as well. I'm taking this really nice maroon shade called Jax. Now I'm taking Silk Cream again, and I'm going to blend out the edges of that. I'm going to put some concealer on my eyelid, doing like a half cut crease. Really make sure that you're blending the edge of that into the shadows. I started off by taking the color Sissy on my finger. It looked really rosy and gold and pretty. I didn't really like it on my eyelid though. It looked a little too pink. So I ended up mixing in Sissy with Little Lady, which is the shade right next to it in the corner of the palette, and that gave me more of the gold that I was looking for. Then taking a makeup wipe, I'm just going to wipe away any fallout and sharpen up the edge of those shadows. I'm going to take the Fit Me Dewy and Smooth on my Real Technique sponge. I'm going to dab that all over my face and then blend it out. Now I'm going to conceal my under eyes and the high points of my face. I'm taking the Makeup Revolution baking powder in the shade Ghost, and I'm going to bake my under eyes, smile lines, and my chin. Now I'm going to take the new Physicians Formula Butter palette. I'm going to take the bronzing shade to warm up the hollows under my cheekbones. Now I'm going back in with Silk Cream under the lower lash line. And I'm going to take that maroon shade called Jax again, and I'm going to really put it as close to that lower lash line as I can. And then I'm going to take the shade Roxanne to kind of smudge that out under the lash line. I'm taking the blush shade from the Butter palette, and I'm just going to warm up my cheeks with that. And I'm going to highlight my cheekbones and my temples with the Butter highlighter in the shade Pearl. I'm going to take the Physicians Formula eyeliner and just do a quick wing. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some falsies. I'm just going to mesh the falsies to my own lashes with a bit of mascara. I'm using the shade Beam in the palette to highlight my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes. I couldn't decide between the Rosey Raye by BH or the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Naked, so I decided to do both. I'm going to start out with the Rosey Raye and then add the Anastasia in Naked right over the center. This will create the illusion of fuller lips. And make sure you remove any cat hair from your blender before you use it on your mouth. And then I'm just gonna set my makeup with the Makeup Revolution Illuminating Setting Spray. So this is the finished look. I'm really happy with the way it came out. It was kind of a little bit different than what I had in my mind, but it's kind of still a nice rose gold smoky eye, which I'm really liking. So if you guys liked this look and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll be updating it more frequently than I have been lately. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye!